Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin with simple, essential prep. Open 115 Oz can of chickpeas, drain them, but save 2 to 3 tablespoons of the aquafaba because it emulsifies. Add 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1/2 lemon's juice, and a teaspoon of mustard into your blender or bowl to start the emulsion. This step matters because oil and acid bind to create a creamy dressing. Once those liquids are together, drop in the chickpeas and season, salt, pepper, and a pinch of cumin, so flavors marry early. Now blend, pulse for 30 seconds, then run continuous for up to 1 minute until mostly smooth. This controls texture, so stop earlier if you prefer body. If the mix is too thick, add reserved aquafaba or a tablespoon of water at a time to loosen. The liquid helps the dressing coat greens. Make sure to taste as you go and adjust salt, acid, or fresh herbs because these small tweaks transform bland into balanced. Use lemon for brightness or more mustard for bite. Finish by folding in 1 to 2 tablespoons of chopped herbs for freshness, and consider 1 teaspoon of vinegar if you want extra tang. This final acid brightens everything. Transfer to an airtight jar and refrigerate. Use within 4 days for best flavor and safety. If the dressing ever splits or seems grainy, don't panic. Whisk in a teaspoon of reserved aquafaba or lemon juice while blending briefly to re-emulsify. That simple fix brings back creaminess without changing overall taste.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.